Today, in the Bite Me More kitchen, we are moving beyond hummus, aka Lisa, and helping you figure out how to use up that whole jar of tahini. Oh, that's good. If you're unfamiliar with it, tahini is a paste made from sesame seeds, very healthy, really good fats, amino acids, more protein than nuts.
And don't forget that it actually tastes really good.
It tastes great. It adds a subtle nutty flavor.
And smooth.
Whose show is this?
I know. What are you making today? You ready?
Ready.
Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna make a banana tahini shake, which I know does...
You can drink tahini?
You can drink it. So let's get started.
Okay.
We have one ripe banana.
Do you know the correct way to peel a banana? From the bottom like a monkey?
I had a feeling you were gonna tell me. Then we're gonna add almond milk, quick oats, chopped up dates.
I can guess. Vanilla?
Yep, look at you.
Cinnamon?
Yep.
Who needs her?
I know. And finally,
tahini.
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 And we have ice. Let's blend it up and you have your breakfast. That's always the tricky part, isn't it? What's happening?
Lily.
I left it for you. Okay, there's your smoothie.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh my gosh, it's delicious.
I'm
shocked. I did not think I would ever drink tahini.
I'm gonna take that away from you.
It's delicious. Don't take it too far.
So let's move on to the next thing we can do with tahini. We're gonna do a quick, oh, that's cute. We're gonna do a quick drizzle for over our steamed asparagus. And we have
tahini.
To that, you're gonna add water, lemon juice,
Lemon zest.
yep, and then salt and a pinch of cayenne. It was a big pinch. So you're just gonna whisk that up.
Well, it's not a whisk, it's a fork.
Correct. But you can whisk with a fork until it's nice and smooth. And now we just drizzle over the asparagus and finish with some toasted sesame seeds. Other things you can do with tahini is we've made a dip with fresh veggies and then also a falafel salad.
Let's let Lisa close out this video while I'm drinking my shake.
For all these recipes, nope. For all these recipes, see below.
Wait.
For all,
Wait, do I have stuff on my teeth?
no, it's good.
If you like what you see, click the thumbs up, subscribe to our videos, and head to bitememore.com for tahini recipes. What's that?
No.
I have tahini belly. That's delicious. Like really delish.